Hello guys, welcome to EC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the very latest updates from Wipro. So a lot of people are following the channel for Wipro updates. A lot of people are interested in working with Wipro. So if you are also interested, please do watch this video till the end. We'll be seeing a lot of fresher updates in today's video. Also, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, please do subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. So the first post that I'm going to share with you is Operations Support Administrator. The location is Bangalore. Also, they have given the category and the ID. Okay, let us see the job description. So it is Operation Support L2. This is a support job and access control L2 and CCTV. So this is a support job which will be supporting the technical side of the organization. So if you're interested in doing L2 support job, you should definitely try for this. So here they are asking an experience of 1 to 3 years. Again, it is considered as freshers only. 1 to 3 years means it is a very baseline experience which they are asking. So that is the first post which we are seeing in today's video. Even though if you are not having 1 to 3 years of experience, some post I'll be sharing with you which is not asking any years of experience. Okay, so please do watch this video till the end. So let us see the second post. So the second post is Tower Head Global Talent Acquisition. Again, the location is Bangalore. So here what you are going to do is you are going to work in the talent acquisition team. Means you are going to work in the hiring team. Okay. So here they are not asked for, they have not asked for any years of experience. What they have given is, they have given the job description. Okay. So the purpose of the role is to drive and manage the fulfillment of open positions. Means if there is any open position, you will be working towards the fulfillment or filling of that open position. That is the job role. Okay. Also, they have given the what are the things you'll be doing here. If you are interested in talent acquisition, if you are interested in working with talent acquisition, you can definitely try for this. All the MBA candidates are eligible here. I get a lot of comments from MBA candidates regarding the job updates. So here you can apply for, because this is your area. Okay. So MBA, all those areas like MBA, management studies, like if you are interested in that, or if you are based on that educational background, you can definitely try for this. Other candidates can also try. Even if you are from BTech background, you can try for this. Okay, so all these updates which I'm sharing with you today in this video are latest updates only. Okay, so that is the second post. Third post, it is Associate Hyderabad. Here only the Hyderabad candidates are eligible to apply. Let us see the details. So the post name is Associate. The job description they have given is regarding the associate post is the requirements is basic English requirement, problem solving skills, then ability to meet the deadlines, task oriented. Then all these things is the details. Only fresher and graduates are eligible. Very clearly they have given freshers. Okay, so some people will come in the comment section that it is not for freshers, but here they have clearly mentioned it is for freshers and any graduate are eligible to apply. So all the viewers from Hyderabad, please do go for this update. Please do apply for it. Okay, so candidates outside the Hyderabad are not eligible to apply. So as I've told in the beginning of this job update itself, it is only for Hyderabad candidates. So all the Hyderabad candidates can try for this. Okay, next one which we are going to see is Production Specialist GDO. Here they have given 4 roles and responsibilities: good English communication skill, problem solving skills. Then only freshers and graduates eligible here. No postgraduates or undergraduates. Means if you're a student, you are not eligible to apply. In this video, we have actually seen 2 production specialist GDO posts. The first one was for Bangalore location. Here the second one which is for Hyderabad location. So the second post is production specialist GDO. Again, the requirements are same. Any graduate is eligible, no postgraduate and no students. And this is for Hyderabad location. Okay, so these are the updates that I'm going to share with you in today's video. We have actually seen 4 updates. Mostly all jobs are for any graduate freshers. And just like this, if you explore the Wipro site, you can get a lot of updates. So rather than going for any other job site or any other third-party site, directly go to the official site and try to fetch up the updates. Because in the official site, you will get the true and authenticated that is job updates. Okay, so that's all for the updates. Now talking about the selection process, we know Wipro is a very good company to start your career with. So they actually follow a very specific selection pattern. The selection process consists of 3 stages. The first stage consists of aptitude test. mainly all the freshers are hired through this process, which is called aptitude test. Now, what is this aptitude means? Here, they are actually going to analyze your problem solving skills, critical thinking skills, communication skills. All these things will be tested in the first stage of selection. Okay, so that is the first stage, which is called aptitude test. The second stage is called technical round. So the technical round means you will be actually asked questions from your technical background. That is whichever post for which you are applying. Based on that post, the technical rounds will be conducted. If it is some programmer post, then there will be some coding rounds. If it is some managerial kind of post for which you are applying, then there will be the technical round will be conducted as in that manner. Okay. So anyway, there will be technical rounds also. Okay. And if it is for some software related or some programming related post, then there will be surely coding rounds. Okay. So that is the technical round of selection. Then finally, there will be HR round. Some companies also keep a manager interaction round in between. Here you can expect HR round also. Okay. So that is the three stages of selection. First stage is aptitude, second stage is technical, and third stage is HR round. That is going to be the selection process. Wipro is a very good company to start your career with. They are having a very good work culture. The salary you can expect about 30,000. A lot of hiring is actually happening nowadays from Wipro. So if you are interested, I'll be also posting the Wipro careers site of India. You can check out the site and you can regularly see what are the new updates coming. Okay. So I'm trying to help maximum people through this channel by bringing you maximum updates, not from any other job site, from the official site itself. Okay. So if you're finding those videos useful, please do support the channel. We are almost there with 100K, and it is actually a very dream come true thing for this channel. So please do support the channel, subscribe to it if you are finding the videos useful. Also share the videos with your friends. So that's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.